Make a great choice today with the 2016 ES. Lexus has sold the ES family of vehicles since 1989 as its mid-sized luxury sedan line. The ES series has become the best-selling sedan for Lexus and known for its emphasis on interior amenities and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, cruise control, airbags, front knee, fog lights, power brakes, trip computer, child safety locks, clock, cargo area light. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.